So here's our little 5 Randall and, well, this is Randall and Betty baby. And the other ones are, you little curious birds, Randall and Easter babies, these 4. So still hopeful on the other 2. Well, 1. I candled the other one and nothing was in there. So I'm hopeful for 1. If not, maybe we'll try a couple another time. But 5 along with the other 4 California tans, 9 extra birds. I mean, that's a dozen chickens, 11 hens. So I think we'll be good for a little bit. And these guys, you're getting so big, aren't you? Listen to their different noises. Isn't that awesome? All right, quick and easy. Now we're gonna hose them off. And these are all of the new homes that these guys, these freezer camps. Lucky people. Okay, so now these guys are learning the skinning part and the gutting part. So just all hands on deck and lots of learning. I love it. Okay, we still have tons of snow, but it's going down so fast. And I think this means we're done. Now that the ducks have ventured down, they're not staying up there anymore. Look at them all. Even the new ducks. Can you see Howard over there? Howard and Daisy both exploring. They're so cute. So, I think it's official. What do you think, Crackers? Are we done with winter? Crackers! Oh, meow! I think it's done. Now we just need to melt. Randall? Betty? Where's Easter? What are you doing down here? You are far from the house. You can tell it's gonna be spring. You wouldn't know it though because it's snowing again. Good Lord. I think the chickens know something we don't though, so I'm gonna go with that. I trust you, chickens. The day has come. It's finally time for these little chickens and guineas to come into the big house. And so everybody's very excited. But yeah, got them all secured in here, and rest assured there is a screw on both sides to hold those in place. So they are not going anywhere. They're not going to burn. And look at those guys already roosting. I love it. All right, so what do you think? Are these guys about 3 weeks or 4 weeks old?
4.
You think? I'll have to do the math, but I think you're about right.
I'm not sure.
So
I'm 3.5.
we've got rooster probably, hen, rooster, and then the one coming with Jameson I think is a hen. And honestly, the guineas, I have no idea because I'm new to guineas, and I think it's their call that you can separate them easier. I don't know. When they get a bit older, I'll figure that out and let you know. All right, we got them all 7 in here now. And now we're going to move the little chicks into the big brooder area and then start the incubator tomorrow. Got them all moved. They were making the biggest commotion just 2 minutes ago. I mean, like screaming. I think they like the echo of this tub. I don't know. But they are so funny. Look at those wings. Those are Randall wings right there. These guys are doing good. Oh, Randall, you've been schooled twice now. Look at her. She rules. Yeah, and Howard just went after him too, and they kind of went at it, and Randall backed down. So I think that's why he goes after me, because I'm a scaredy cat. Everybody's coming in and out. In and out. Cats in and out, in and out. In and out. Oh, the lovely snow mound that won't melt because there's too much bedding on it. Look at how much taller it is than the snow down over here. So I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe trying to move it, but there's nowhere to move it to yet. So trying to channel my inner patient human, but that doesn't work very well when it's nice out, you're in a t-shirt and all you want to do is work, but you got to wait for the snow to melt. So instead you come out and you watch your birds, have a little lunch, have a little bath. So Randall got me yesterday. As I was just bragging that he hasn't attacked me for so long. Look at that. The turkey owns him. It's amazing. Yeah, but he's not scared of me. Whatever. So we're going to have to do a little Randall training. If he comes after me again, I'm just going to have to grab him and do this little... I'm not going to sit on him per se, but I'm going to hold him down and show him who's boss. So we'll see how that goes, but let's go in and see the guineas and the chickens. Oh, before we go in, look who came to say hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, Gary. Oh, Gary is the happiest cat now that he can be outside. He doesn't adventure much, but man, oh man. All right. Oh, Easter. She doesn't know what end is up. She's just a very special bird. And lots of your babies are getting very big, Easter, and you'll see them soon. Check these guys out, though. I don't even think we need the heat lamp on them today, to be honest, but they still kind of like it because they were so warm in the house. So we may be warm in the sun, but I have to remember it's cooler in here. So we'll just let them do their thing. But yeah, they're thriving. Doing super, super well. And I think she wants to be their mom. And the turkey likes to lay down next to these guys at night too. So maybe we'll have some naturally hatching birds here sometime. I don't know. So look at this huge area that was cleared. The ducks are so happy. Let's check out all of our running water. Holy moly. It's melting so fast. You can't even really tell. Can you tell it's summer? What else would a boy do? Oh man. Let's wake up the birds. Well, they hear me. So, let's open their door. Let's see everybody come out. Everybody's ready to come out for the morning. You want your ramp, turkey? Hi, girls. Want your ramp? I have to put this ramp down for her because she's so big. Okay. You gonna come out? They love coming out now. And everybody's scattered, except for Randall trying to get his ladies. Enough ground is uncovered that the ducks just scatter now. It's so great. Oh, I hear some guineas. And I see some eggs. Good morning, babies. How was your night? Are you getting big? Everybody's doing great. Looks like we've got some back here. Looks like we've got some in here. Oh, it's a good sight to see, you guys. Don't think any under here. Oh, yeah. Maybe one under there. I'll go check the other room too. And a couple under here. So we'll total these up. See how many we got. Got 15 so far today. Pretty good haul. Uh-oh. He can be kind of vicious. So, thank you, ladies. Thank you guys for all of your beautiful eggs. Such a lovely day. I cannot wait to get outside today. How about y'all? Has it been nice? The snow's melting and it's pretty fantastic, which I love. So, get outside, get all this unearthed, watch the birds, just have a lovely time outside. So, hope everybody's doing well, staying healthy and happy. And with that, we'll talk soon.